Hello everyone, in this today's video, I'll show you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets to give your spreadsheet a cleaner look. First, open your Google Sheets file. The default grid lines are visible on all sheets. To remove them, go to the View menu at the top, hover over Show, and then uncheck grid lines. Instantly, the grid lines disappear. If you ever want to bring them back, just repeat the process and check grid lines again. Want some line but not all them? Use the borders tool in the toolbar to add custom grid line to a specific area, and that's how you remove grid lines in Google Sheets. So if this felt helpful, like, subscribe for more Google Sheets tips.